Pakistan on Wednesday conducted a successful test of an enhanced version of the indigenously developed Babur Cruise Missile. Babur Weapon System version 2 incorporates advanced aerodynamics and avionics that can strike targets both at land and sea with high accuracy, at a range of 700 kilometers. It is a low-flying, terrain-hugging missile, which carries certain stealth features and is capable of carrying various types of warheads. Babur Weapon System is an important force multiplier for Pakistan's strategic defense. Launch was witnessed by Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee General Zubair Mahmood Hayat, senior officers from Strategic Plans Division, Strategic Forces, scientists and engineers of strategic organizations. Chairman Joint Chiefs of Staff Committee congratulated the scientists and engineers on achieving yet another milestone of great value and significance. He appreciated the technical prowess, dedication and commitment of scientists who contributed to the success of this launch. Expressing his full confidence in the Strategic Command and Control System and the Strategic Forces' operational preparedness, General Hayat stated that this test further strengthens Pakistan's deterrence capability. The President and the Prime Minister of Pakistan have congratulated the scientists and engineers on successful conduct of today's missile test.